Hello, this is me doing a video of my dog. He is a Shorkie, which is a Shih Tzu and a Yorkie mix. His legs in the back are longer than his legs in the front, which makes him kind of the runt of the family because he's shorter than them. And also that does make him run a lot faster because the hind legs give him a boost when he jumps forward. So, I'm going to show some tricks of him or that he can do. They're very smart dogs. And so the first one I'm going to do is shake Tucker. Hey, hey, hey. Shake. Good boy. Next one is, we don't want to teach him how to beg, so we taught him to do say please. So, say please, Tucker. Yes. Good boy. He is also laid to, hey, no getting into that stuff. Lay down. Roll over. Nope. Roll over. Yes. He's also stay. Come. Yeah. Now he's gonna do leave it. Leave it, Tucker. Yes. Good boy. Are there any? He can also, sometimes he'll bounce, but there's a very high chance I won't do it. Sneeze, Tucker. Sneeze. No. Sneeze. Yeah. There you go. And then I'm going to throw his little kind of paper bone for him. Tucker. Ah. Tucker. Go get it. And that's about his medium speed, but he can go a lot faster than that. And that's my dog.